Next approach is normalization. The very easiest and easy things. We have a min-max normalization, z-score normalization, and decimal scaling. See here, very simple formula. VI nothing but the, I want to find out the, for a given data, I want to scale, I want to normalize, So for that, what I am going to do is, VI is the given data, and what is the minimum value in a given data, what is the maximum value in a given data. A nothing but the some attribute. I am going to take age attribute, in that what is the minimum value, what is the maximum value, and for which value you are going to do the scaling. And at the same time, we need to fix scaling, how to normalize. That means, it may be I want to scale it to the 0 to 1 or -1 to 1. That means new maximum value. Suppose I want to scale the entire data into the between the range of 0 to 1. So the maximum, new max means 1 and new min means 0. Suppose I want to scale the entire data into the -1 to +1. Then the maximum value is +1, minimum value is -1. Very simple. The second one is z-score normalization. It's purely based on the z-score normalization is purely based on the standard deviation and mean. We are going to do the standard deviation based on the standard deviation and mean for the given data. I want to make a normalize for V of I variable or value with a given mean and a standard deviation. And third one is very simple, divide by scaling, simply divide by number of zeros. That means suppose I want to make a 10 into 10 by 100, it means I am going to convert into the 0.1. So which range you want to convert, that is they are mentioning. So we are going to take a j value. Based on here j value is 2 because 100 means 10 square. Okay, we will take a small examples, very simple examples. See here in my example, all these examples are I am taken from the standard textbook Camber. Okay, the Camber is standard textbook. I am having the data for income with a range of 12,000, that is minimum value, and $98 maximum value, min and max. Then I want to scale for the 73,000. I want to scale for 73,000. So as for the given formula previously, what I am going to do is my target, that is VI, and this is minimum, this is maximum, this is minimum. Here new value, new maximum, new minimum. So that means I want to scale entire value within the 0 to 1 only. I want to convert into 0 to 1. So 0 to 1. So maximum is 1 and minimum is 0 and new minimum is 0. After calculating, the entire value comes 0.716, means within the range, or the value is into 0 to 1, 0.76, means the $73,000. So plot of attributes are available. How the things happen? A simple example, see here. Simple. What we are going to do is, generally we are having the streets comes under the city, city comes under the state, state comes under the country. That means it's in an international post. Simply what happened, when you are going to post it, automatically at the post office, whenever the particular country, irrespective of this information, simply they put into the box some USA box. So we are having a different box, USA or London, various country names. Simply they are, instead of showing all the things, is major attribute, country name, you identify the country name, okay, then immediately they won't go for digging. That means this letter must go to the US, and at US again they won't look for the street names, they look for the state, in which state it is, Virginia or Richmond, oh, like that. Okay, then they will put into the next level, state. After receiving the Richmond, then again which location. That means simple approach, instead of searching a bigger one, we go with the very minor approach, very simple approach by reducing the things. See, simple thing, with example. So whenever you are receiving the thing card posting, first of all identifying the which country. So we have lot of 5 different distinct values. From that countries we are going to pick. From the country, next provision or state, as per the country, in which provision or which state it is. Irrespective of the things, we are least for the things, first focusing country, then state. From the state, which city. That means distribution like a top-down approach. While you are posting, how you are writing? You are writing the name of the candidate, street, bottom approach, then followed by the city, then followed by the state, and followed by the country. You make a like a bottom approach, but while it distributed, delivered, top-down approach, picking the country, then state, then city, then street, then to the person. This is the way how the conceptual hierarchy very helpful to classify the huge data. Very simple approach, reducing the data. This is what data discretization. So what we learned today in the session, major information is transformation. Under transformation we learned about smoothing concept, and we learned about normalization. Under smoothing we have 2 approaches, binning approach, bin, mean, and boundaries. And under normalization, to scale the data, we have a min max and z-score and decimal scale. And finally we learn conceptual hierarchy to make the data discretization. This is what today we learn about the data discretization. Okay.